Harbor Freight tire changer. I'm going for my personal best. Okay, it's got a bead breaker on it. It's the first thing you want to do. Bust the bead on both sides. Look at that, folks. You show me a Willys tire and rim that come apart that easy. A little soapy water. Knucklehead charged me $14 a piece for this. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. There you go, folks. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh yeah. That's right, folks. Let's get someone out there to beat my record. That's after working all day. Got some feedback last night on the chemicals that I used, and they didn't do a good job on the rims. And you're right, it sucked. But I've had that chemical in the garage for 2 years, so maybe the properties changed. So I went and picked up some aircraft remover. I'm going to spray that on and see what happens. Now, there was a recommendation to get something called Dad's. Couldn't find it. So we're going to give this a shot. Hang on a minute. Let's give this stuff a shot. I'm going to get this nice and wet. Stuff smells like model glue. We're going to let that do its thing. Yeah. Alright, only been about 2 minutes. She's starting to work. Having a much better reaction than the other stuff. Alright, well I gave it the time it needed. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow. Way better than the other chemical. Yeah, that's just flaking right off, folks. like freaking butter. All right, let me get the scraping. Okay, this was last night's results with that zip stuff that I had. It didn't work out too well. Aircraft remover made by Rust-Oleum. Took it down to bare metal, folks. With the same amount of effort, the chemical works a lot better. So, it got dark outside. Tomorrow, I'll go ahead and spray these other areas, let the chemical do its thing. This is it. That is a good product. Pretty happy with it. Here's the other room and how it turned out. All right. Hey, check it out. Early birthday presents. Pretty awesome. I have to give them names because they were generous gifts from family members. My beautiful wife, Heather. My beautiful daughter, Gracie. And my beautiful mom, Renata Kolke. That's right. Mama sent me a gift early, her and Helmut, for my birthday, and went ahead and applied it to that third tire. So, hey, you gotta let people know what you're doing. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Birthdays and Christmas, Jeep parts. And I'm a happy camper. Have a good night, folks. Hey, if it's 3 in the morning and you get, you wake up and you can't sleep, get out in your garage and work on your Jeeps and wake up the neighbors. Who cares what they're doing? I don't. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Have a good night. Yeah.